all those witchy items that we love to keep around our house. Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today is that wonderful time of the month where I get to open another witch casket. So let's take a look inside this month's casket and see what September has in store for us. Okay, so I'm very excited for this box. September brings us house magic. So as always, I'm going to pop the little booklet to one side, we'll dive in, see what we can find in here, and then we can take a look in the booklet at the end if there's anything else we need to look up. I am really enjoying the designs for this month though. Okay, so we have our little art card. You get one of these every month. Okay, this one is particularly lovely. It is all those witchy items that we love to keep around our house. We can display our magic and our beliefs. We've got books, mushrooms, potion bottles, a black cat. We've got keys, cups, crystal balls, tarot cards. Really, really lovely. And as they have now begun doing, we get a monthly manifestation on the back. So here we have what are my goals for the month, what practical steps can I take to reach these goals, what magical steps can I take to reach these goals. The seeds are planted, intentions are set, I command my desires be met. So you can use these cards in a number of different ways. You can of course fill out the manifestation on the back. You might like to display them on your altar and change them monthly. You might like to use them as a focus for meditation or relaxation. This is a house blessing ritual kit. We get some sort of spell kit every month. So this is the one for September. It contains everything you need to bless your home. Oh my goodness, we have got the tiniest little key. Keys are often used in protection magic and of course are perfectly suited to protect the home. Let's have a look at this tiny little key charm. Look at that. I mean, it is, ooh, there you go, in relation to my pinky finger. So tiny, so perfect. Tiny things are just the best in my opinion. So we have 2 herb packets. Okay, we've got a spell bag. This is a particularly nice quality one, and we've got our instructions, again carrying on the picture design theme. So we've got the small key, passion flower, chamomile and the drawstring pouch. Set your intentions to bless your home with each item and add them to your pouch. As you add the items, state the following: passion flower to bless this home and bring calming energy. Chamomile to raise loving vibrations, all locked in with a key. Tie your pouch firmly to keep in your home. So a nice simple one, affirmation and then matching correspondences. Really, really lovely. Oh my goodness, that it's always I don't know why I still find it surprising when things just come together. I have just last weekend took part in an embroidery workshop to raise money for cats protection, so it's really surprising, interesting and fortuitous that we get an embroidery kit with this month's witch casket. Everything you need to create a beautiful embroidered pentacle. Work your intentions into every stitch. much like with Not Magic, stitches can definitely hold a lot of power. They are particularly anything that's repetitive, methodical, so knitting, crocheting, anything like that can be used to weave spells, quite literally weaving magic into your workings. So let's have a look. I'm so excited for this. Okay, so here's our instructions. My goodness, that is going to look beautiful. So it explains to us what stitches we need to be doing: stem stitch, leaf stitch, chain stitch. All of our embroidery stitch instructions on the back. We get a teeny tiny little embroidery hoop. And then in here we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, we've got 5 needles and our 3 flosses. And then here is our little design that we're going to be embroidering. Really, really nice. That's, yeah, it's come at exactly the right time. Yeah, I'm chuffed with that. Okay, it's lots of things, lots and lots of things. I'll do the scroll. Again, scrolls we get monthly. You can obviously display these in frames. They are A4 in size. You can put them on your wall. This one is 6 simple ways to raise the vibrations of your home. So they always have really nice sort of going slightly deeper information for you. You might want to copy this information into your book of shadows. You might want to do as I have done, and I am slowly setting up this, what was previously a happy planner, as a book of shadows, and I've started including these sheets in here with all the information from previous caskets, and yeah, I'm slowly getting around to adding them all in, and so they can be kept in here with all of my most used information. Again, something we get every month is an enamel pin. This one is very nice and very unusual. We've got a little witch's cottage there with a besom outside and some pumpkins. I think there's a cat in the window there. We've got a cauldron outside. Really lovely. So that is a double pin brooch there. As I say, you get one every single month. They never disappoint. They're always unusual and beautifully well made. We've got some incense in here. Light the incense and affirm, magical smoke, cleanse my space, let only good enter this place. So it is a cleansing blend of bergamot and mint. Using with incense holders that have got an ash catcher. So it is stick incense. Oh, and it smells amazing. I really like bergamot. It's so fresh. So yeah, very, very nice indeed. And of course you could, double the power of your house blessing kit. You could burn this incense whilst you make the kit. Layers and layers of things that can all be worked together. Here we have a happiness brew. So this is witch's tea. Stir clockwise with intent and state the following. As I stir my magic brew, happiness fills my cup. As I drink mindfully, joy will raise me up. And this is lavender and vervain. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes. So these are loose leaf teas. I'm not going to get it out because it will go everywhere. But yes, so these are loose leaf herbal teas, so you will need a strainer of some description. We have a piece of selenite. I have got a lovely selenite obelisk that I got from Witch Casket a little while ago, but this is a tumbled piece. Really lovely. Got that lovely sort of cat's eye effect when the light hits it. Really pretty. So selenite is a spiritual stone of calm and peace, an excellent stone to clear the mind and cleanse the home. Selenite enhances intuition and encourages good judgment, ideal for meditation. And even these little cards, they're just so lovely. It makes you want to keep things and not just throw them away. Everything in the witch casket, by the way, in terms of packaging, is all biodegradable. Even the plastic wrap is a biodegradable plastic bag. Oh, talking of teas, we've got a ritual cup. An enchanting cup for your ritual drinks, offerings and brews. Oh my goodness, this speaks directly to my little kitchen witch. It is labelled with the witch casket. It is a ceramic. We've got these gorgeous mushrooms and spell bottles and pentacles and candles. That's so lovely, and it's a really nice size as well. I like that a lot. Always drink mindfully. So that and that will definitely be going together. My brew and my cup. And oh, okay, fine. After preparing your loose leaf tea or herbal brew in a teapot or other suitable jug, place the strainer over your cup and pour in your tea. So just as I was saying that with loose leaf tea you will need a strainer, this one is particularly lovely. So there we go. That will sit over your cup. Look at that. You can see that this is wooden, and then it's got the removable metal strainer that will sit there, and that will catch all those bits of loose leaf tea. So they really do think of everything. I love that. And then the final box that's in here is a hanging leaf tea light holder. Let's have a look. Oh wow, okay. Well, this is particularly beautiful. Look at that. So yes, you could hang it by the hook, you could hang it by the loop, or you can stand it. It says tea lights are perfect for simple house magic and are a great way to attract what you need into your home. Use a white candle for cleansing and purity, a pink candle to attract love to your home, green for abundance, black for clearing negativity. Light your candle with intent and gratitude for the desired outcome. Yeah, really, really nice. And yeah, just everything is so well thought through. So we've got our tea, our candle, our ritual blessing kit, incense, selenite, pin badge, the embroidery I cannot wait to get started on. So, and of course our scroll. I'll just check through the little book to see if I've missed anything. So, hello, our magical family of witches. Your September casket is all about house magic, and we hope that this casket and its contents will help you to raise the vibration of your home and attract more joy into your living space and your life. Read through the pamphlet and familiarise yourself with the contents and safety information. We are, as always, busy preparing for next month's casket, and we have so many wonderful magical plans for future months. In the meantime, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to email, and you can at info@witchcasket.co.uk with your feedback. We would love to hear from you. Tag any posts with hashtag witchcasket. Sending all of our love and positive energy. Be well, Deb and Ella. And again, just this is beautiful and so sort of extra, but lovely. So we've got our cup, our strainer. These are of course Witch Casket exclusives, as is the embroidery kit and the hanging leaf tea light holder, which means you cannot buy them anywhere else online. The incense, specially made for them. The Witch Casket incense contains no artificial fragrances. They believe in the true magical qualities of herbs, flowers and plants, and there is no substitute for their natural aroma. I would agree with that for definite. So, yep, that is everything. I don't think we've missed anything at all. Really, really lovely. The art print was designed by their in-house designer, Faye. And all of these spells and rituals are created by Witch Casket's co-founder, Deb, who is an experienced practicing witch exclusively for Witch Casket. So there you go. And you can always go and find them on Instagram and check out other people's unboxings and using the items. I'm really, really pleased with this. Of course, do go check them out for yourself. The price is incredibly reasonable. Whether you are in the UK or overseas. You also, aside from all of this, included in the cost of your kit, you also get access to digital download items and a special code that gets you access to the Witch Casket Emporium, where you can buy items from previous kits that they may have overstock of. So I'm going to go and get myself a cup of refreshing happiness brew in my new cup. And I will look forward to hearing your comments on what is your favourite item down in the comments. That is all from me for today. Please do remember to like this video, share it with a friend who might enjoy some witchy goodness as well, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay crafty.